Okay, so we have here, we have the cream of mushroom, and we have the cream of chicken soup. Now we're just gonna mix it up, level it out a little bit, get it even. If you have kids or someone else that likes to cook with you, they can give you a hand. Just kind of even it out a little bit. Get that little color mix. Okay. Next we have the steamed broccoli here, the frozen steamed broccoli. You can get fresh broccoli from the store if you would like. I prefer the frozen, the steamed one. I'm gonna open this up a little bit more here. Okay. And then we're just gonna stir in the broccoli a little bit. And now we're going to add a little bit of the steamed carrot, mixed vegetables, which is good. You can dice up your own if you would like also, but me, I personally just get it and makes it easier for you. And then we're just going to mix this in here, guys. Like I said, if you have someone that likes cooking also, they can help your kids. My kids love this type of stuff. Makes them feel like they're doing something. Okay. All right, we're gonna get that stirred in and leveled out. Next, I'm gonna add the frozen chicken. I mean, you can add your own chicken or boil it or just buy it freshly, but I eat the frozen. And then we're just gonna stir that in a little bit here and mix it up a little bit better. You want to try to get it all even with the mix of chicken and vegetables around, not just one spot, so it comes out well. So I can mix this a little bit for you a little bit better. All right. That looks good. Let's see here. All right. And let's add a little seasoning. So I have a little black pepper, pink salt, whatever you prefer. Give it your little flavor. Just so I say, do a little, whatever to your liking. A few shakes. Some people like different types of seasoning. Just a little pink salt. Also here I have a little minced garlic. You can add it if you want. Me, I personally like it. It's healthy and it's a little bit flavorful. It gives it a little more kick. So let's put a little bit in there. I'll probably put like 2 scoops, spoonfuls. Okay. And then we're gonna mix it in and stir it. Try, like I said, level it out. Spread it around so it doesn't just be in one spot. You want to kind of get it mixing, get that seasoning going. All right. All right. Okay. Next, I'm going to add a little mild cheese. I like mild cheese or a little sharp cheddar, but whatever suits you. Everybody loves a little cheese. Can't go wrong with cheese, right? Let's get this evenly out. I personally like shredded cheese, so let's try that. And then let's spread it out a little bit more. Get a little mix in there. You can add as much cheese as you would like. This is okay. Just kind of spread it out before we do the last thing evenly. All right. Next we have the biscuits. We're gonna pop these. Whoa. All right, sorry about that, guys. There we go, we got the pop. Here's if you have kids, again, they can come help you spread this out evenly in here. Kids love this, makes them feel like they're doing something, and it saves you time. All right, let's get it spread out evenly here. I like it. The kids would love to do this. It's a little bit time consuming, but it's worth it at the end. You want to spread out evenly. Down here we have a few more. Kind of want to make sure they overlap each other, maybe perhaps, but just kind of fill in the spaces evenly if you can. I think we are almost done here. Okay, so now when you're done, you got it all covered. We're gonna put this in the oven for 350 for 30 minutes. Okay, we're done here. You hear that sound? You can cook your biscuits a little bit longer if you like. I personally like them like this. We're not gonna cut into this because we're gonna be donating this today, and that's it. The finishing product.